Hey everyone, welcome to day 16. I don't have a webcam today, but I did a leetcode question. The question is this value sudoku. So what you are supposed to do is, sorry guys. So you have this 9x9 board, and in here there are numbers in the rows and columns, and the numbers cannot repeat in the rows and it cannot repeat in the column as well. And in this 3x3 square, the numbers cannot repeat here as well, and the numbers can only be from 1 to 9. And this is my solution. It took me 40 minutes today and 1 hour 30 minutes yesterday, so in total it took me about 2 hours to complete it. So this is how I did it. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube or like where they've solved it in using like less syntax, but I found it confusing, and so this is my solution. It's a bit long, but it's faster than like 95% of other submissions. So what I did here is, at first I checked if there are no duplicates in the row. So at first I checked if and it's like there are like no duplicates in the row, and then I checked if there are no duplicates in the column. This was quite easy to check the duplicates in rows and columns, but the difficult part was checking if there was no duplicate element in the square, like that. Yeah. So what I did here is I used four for loops. The time complexity of all these for loops is n square. It is because the square dimension is like root of this length of n. So even though I have used four for loops, the time complexity is still of n square. So in here what I did is I just made a variable set or hash map, and for the current square element the logic is quite difficult for me to explain, but if you can, like this is my code, you can try to understand it. So yeah, that was it on what I did today. Oh yeah, at first, like so for your information, how I do these leetcode questions is that I look at the description. I try to like visualize in Excaliburs. You can see like all of these. So this is my rough sketch of what of my thought process. And after that I go into VS Code and try to solve it. And after because there is no auto completion in leetcode, you have to like buy the premium to get the auto completion. So I used VS Code for the auto completion, and yeah, that was it on what I did today.